If you've ever found that your smart TV is slow, your smart TV won't turn on, or if you've ever experienced any other smart TV problem, you have come to the right place. We will explore the reasons behind the sluggish operation of your smart TV and, more importantly, provide potential solutions to get your smart TV back in working order. Before the next part, let me mention that if you want to get unlimited streaming access, crystal clear 4K, no monthly bills ever, then comment or check description for full setup. How to restart a smart TV. If your smart TV is not working properly, you should first simply try restarting it. You can typically find a prompt with a restart option when navigating through the TV's settings. To manually restart your smart TV, hold the power button down for a few seconds until the TV is completely turned off. Then unplug the power cord for 2 minutes before plugging it back in and rebooting the system. Your smart TV should now be restarted. Slow internet connection or network issues. Smart TVs rely on a stable and fast internet connection to stream content, access online services, and download updates. If the internet connection is slow or unstable, it can result in buffering and pixelation issues, as well as other streaming interruptions. Furthermore, weak Wi-Fi signals or interference from other devices can also lead to a subpar viewing experience. To fix a slow internet connection that might be hindering a smart TV's efficiency, you can try resetting your router, turn the router off, unplug it from the power source for at least a minute, and plug it back in to allow the router to reboot and re-establish a connection. Moving the router closer to your TV. Walls and other obstacles might interfere with your Wi-Fi connection. Move your router closer to your TV or look into investing in a Wi-Fi extender. Optimizing your Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi routers usually operate on different channels to avoid interference. Look at your router's settings and ensure it is using the appropriate channel. Using a wired connection. Smart TVs have Ethernet cable ports, allowing them to be connected straight to your home's internet without using Wi-Fi. This eliminates any interference that might be affecting wireless internet, giving your TV faster internet speeds. Overloaded storage or limited memory. Everything installed on your smart TV consumes a certain amount of storage space. If you have a lot of downloaded apps, files, and other downloaded content, your smart TV can experience a storage overload. Additionally, your smart TV's limited random access memory, RAM, can fill up over time, which negatively affects its streaming capabilities and overall performance. Unfortunately, a smart TV's RAM is generally not able to be upgraded because it is wired directly into the TV's motherboard. Even though the RAM is unable to be modified, there are a variety of options to free up some of your storage space. Uninstalling apps that are rarely used and making sure unused apps are closed and not running in the background. Clearing the cache to delete temporary files and data from various apps or the operating system itself, which all use up precious space. Deleting unnecessary downloaded media files that you no longer need, such as older photos, videos, and gaming content. You can also always move them to an external storage device like USB flash drives or external hard drives. Streaming content instead of downloaded media files. Streaming takes up less permanent storage space than downloaded content, leaving more space for other operations. If you don't experience any improvements, you can also reset your smart TV to its original factory settings. This can be done by navigating through your TV's settings and advanced options. However, unlike restarting your smart TV, a factory reset will erase everything that wasn't originally pre-installed on your TV, so it should be a last resort when attempting to free up storage space. Outdated software. Ensuring that you keep up with regular system updates greatly benefits the performance of your smart TV. Updates often include bug fixes, security patches, and other improvements. You might sometimes experience unresponsiveness, or it may seem like your smart TV is frozen when you're using outdated software on your smart TV. To check if your smart TV is due for a system update, you can typically easily navigate through the settings menu and follow your TV's update instructions. However,